today we are going to be doing another mystery bag unbagging. And yeah, if you haven't seen these videos before, I usually go through a bag of clothes that have been donated to me or that I've gotten from someone who was donating them, and I go through and see what I can do with the clothes, whether that be take it to buy sell trades, Plato's or Clothes Mentor, or I keep for myself, try it on, keep for myself. Normally my try on pile is pretty big, but I usually keep very little of that. Or I will see if it's something that I can sell myself on Poshmark, Mercari, or eBay, or something that I know somebody who might like it that's in my life, like family, friends. All right, let's get started. There's my bag right there. Let's jump in. Okay, right off the bat, I'm pulling out something that feels like wool. Oh wow, okay, so this is Pendleton, and this is 100% lamb's wool. You're seeing it more than I am. I'm looking at it through the viewfinder here, but this is a very substantial sweater piece. Very nice. It's gray, so that's cool. That's exciting. I'm definitely going to be looking that one up. I have hit or miss with Pendleton selling myself, so we'll see. Next is FootJoy. A lot of times when I find FootJoy, there's like a logo on here that's like a team logo. I'm not seeing one, which is good. This is a long sleeve gray, like almost like a little mock neck or something going on there. There's the FootJoy tag and logo on the back, so I'll look that one up. Again, I don't really have a lot of luck with that brand, but I'm seeing a tag. Company 8. I've never heard of this brand. Pair of jeans, size 30 or 30. Got a little bit distressing by the pockets. I'll have to look that up. I've never heard of that. So I like also doing these mystery bags because I find out about a lot of brands that otherwise I probably wouldn't have heard of. So it's kind of fun. All right, we have another pair of jeans. These are silver. I think the style is Nash. These are a size 34, 32. So men's. That's what the butt pockets look like. With some whiskering. So those are cool. I might look those up or take them to buy sell trade. Okay, this looks like a vest. Oh, this is Timberland. Like a Timberland cream vest. And it's got like the little logo right here in the back. And this is a size medium. So that's cool. I'll probably look that one up as well. We have Izod. Looks like I might need to wash stain treat this, but this is really cool. It's got a little logo here. It's like a cream with like window pane stitching. I really like wearing oversized Izod sweaters, but I'm gonna see if that cleans up, and I may be tempted to buy that one to keep. Okay, it's something leather looking. If it's real leather, I'm not sure. Looks like a coat by Marco Morani. Never heard of that brand either. And it's got like this paisley kind of fabric, and then it's got like this leathery fabric. Oh, this is long. This is a really long coat. Got interesting detail in the back. Yeah, very long coat. So this is kind of hard to show, but that's really cool. This is real leather, so that's pretty neat. So I'll have to look that up. Like I said, I've never heard of this. It kind of looks vintagey. Yeah, it's very unique. I like finding very unique pieces in these mystery bags. It's kind of fun. Just like finding like new brands I've never heard of. Bernardo. I feel like I have gotten up something like this from Bernardo before. Actually, almost maybe identical. It might have been a different shade, but like this is like a suede kind of leather, size large. This is polyester. So this isn't real leather or suede, but it looks like it's like a suede kind of thing. I feel like this is very in, but I think it like real suede is in. I don't know, is faux suede in too? I've seen a very funky sweater. It looks like it has some pulls though. What is this? Sportswear, 100% acrylic. Oh, and it's got some staining. That could have been cute though, because it's kind of like varsity kind of thing, but it's got quite a few pulls. It's got some pretty bad staining, so I think that one's gonna get redonated. Another sweater looking thing. This is Design Options by Philip and Jane Gordon, size medium. Oh, this is super fun. So that's adorable. I'm definitely going to be looking this one up and possibly reselling this one because that's so fun. Like, I don't think you can see it, but it's like embroidered patches, sequins, all kinds of stuff. It's like these daisies. Oh, I think we got another cool one. All right. Yeah, this is like an autumn vest. Oh, I'm not showing you. It's got like pumpkins and fall leaves. Oh, that's so cool. And it actually zips if it works. And it's a very nice like neutrally kind of vest. Oh, that is so cute. Look at the pole. It's like a leaf. This is by Ciara? I don't know. Size medium? Never heard of that, but that's so fun. That's so fun. So I'm gonna look that one up. Probably resell that. Again, lots of different beading, embroidery, patches, all that. It looks like there's one more thing in here, and it's another fun sweater thing. Oh, it's another vest. And oh, this one's Halloween. Oh my goodness. Another zip one, so let me zip it real quick because I feel like it'll be... Oh wait, where's the zipper? Oh no, that's so sad. The zipper is actually missing from this, so I'm gonna have to redonate it because that's such a shame. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. That's so fun, but yeah, there's no zipper. And it's supposed to be a zip. Oh, darn. So there we go. That is everything. I've got some piles of stuff to look up. I've got some things to try on, and I've got a couple of redonates. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I find these so much fun, so I hope you guys like them too. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye.